TeamCAD presents a web application for kitchen elements configuration without using Autodesk Inventor as 3D modeling software on the local machine. First, you have to log in with Forge Client ID and Forge Client password to use Forge server power. You can get the Forge Client ID and secret by clicking on Autodesk Forge. Existing users can sign in on the Forge server with their Autodesk account credentials. Select the adequate application and copy the secret code by double-clicking on it. With Forge Client ID and secret, click on the Login button and wait for Forge server response. After successful authorization, instructions for application usage will be displayed on the right side, and on the left side, you will see Bucket Kitchen Config and its content if there is any. You can delete any unnecessary items from the bucket using the contextual menu, selecting the option Delete. Kitchen elements configuration commences with entering width and height in millimeters, and we can choose one of 6 possible kitchen element fronts. The height of kitchen elements should be put as a percentage of global height. The user can specify which type of data input is preferred. New fields for data input can be added by clicking on Add New button. All individual elements' height sum must be 100%. Can delete a particular item by clicking on the red square with the X. When the user reaches 100% for the sum of all fronts, the button Submit will become active and data can be sent to the Forge server for processing and 3D model creation. Sending data to the Forge server commences and the user can follow work item execution on screen right side. This process can take around 1 minute to complete. Successful task completion, the user will receive a notification that the created element is stored in the bucket. By expanding the bucket tree, the user can see the generic name for the created kitchen element. Name structure can be specified according to the user's request. Created 3D model must be translated in the web browser viewable format. To do this, the user needs to select the model and click on the button, Translate. The translation process will take a while and the model will be automatically displayed, after which the user can rotate, zoom, measure, and so on. Dimensions and shapes of element fronts are matching the input data. Users can open and close particular front elements by simply clicking on them. Besides the already mentioned option for deleting items from the bucket, the user can download the complete Inventor 3D model from the Forge server. The downloaded archive contains Inventor parts and assemblies which will be now open for demonstration. 3D model fully matches with input data and it is organized in logical assemblies. Now, in the next step of the workflow, the designers need to attach connection hardware, sliders, hinges, and get a completely functional kitchen element. TeamCAD application saves your time and increases your productivity. TeamCAD, web applications based in the Forge technology.